Welcome students. Today I'll show you that how to do first stage RC coupled amplifier, and for this we have three apparatus. This is RC coupled amplifier. It has two stages. This is first stage RC coupled amplifier, and here it is common emitter amplification is there, and using this common emitter amplification we need output as amplified output but in reverse phase. So by doing this board, by using this board, we can do two experiments. First stage RC coupled amplifier by using a output here, and another experiment we can do it in the same phase. We can use this two-stage RC coupled amplifier. Okay, and this is another device which is it is two-channel oscilloscope, and by using this oscilloscope you can see two signals simultaneously. That means we can plot input signal here as well as output signal here. Okay, this is third one here. This is function generator. We can generate the function for the input of this RC coupled amplifier. This is function generator. We can use three type of signal using this function generator: sine wave, and here by selecting this knob here is square wave, and this is sawtooth wave. Okay, let us now connect this function generator to the CRO at the channel 1. Pause karo. Now on the CRO here, and let us make it on also. Function generator is connecting here. We can choose any frequency here. I select the knob at sine wave, and I am giving the sine wave to the CRO by using this crocodile and BSc connector. This is one side is BSc connector, this is called BSc, and this is crocodile connector. We need to connect it at channel 1 here like this, and red by red and black to the black. You will see this first sine wave that shows the input which is going to deliver to the RC coupled amplifier. So let us pause now. You can vary the frequency by using this knob, and by changing the time per division you can see that the voltage, the signal can vary here. Okay, and okay, now we will give this input to the RC coupled amplifier here. So this is input which is given to this CRO. हमने इसकी CRO को इसकी input दे दी. Now in parallel to this, I am giving the input of this function generator to our RC coupled amplifier also, which is using these two cables here. So I need to giving the parallel connection here by putting this red into red and black into black here. So I am already giving the input to the RC coupled amplifier. Now I am using these two cables for the detection of output. If I use these two cables here, that means I am using one stage amplification here. So through these two cables I am going to give the signal to the CRO. Here this is another channel of the CRO, and I am going to connect it here. How to do it? I need another crocodile connection, or I am going to connect these two cables by using this terminal here like this way. This is nothing. I am using this crocodile connector only to connect these two terminals. So there is no role of this cable here. I am using this crocodile connector here. So I need to put it here like this way, or any way. It's okay now. And black with the black. Where is the output of this black? Here. Look, now the connection is complete. The input is delivered to here, to the RC coupled amplifier also, and to the CRO also. And the output of this RC coupled amplifier is given to the CRO directly through this BNC and RC and the crocodile connector here. Now this above waveform is for the input signal, and because I put the ground of the second channel here, so it is not showing the output here of the RC coupled amplifier. Now I need to unground it here. So look, there are two waveforms in this CRO. First is input of this RC coupled, and second one is output of the RC coupled amplifiers. So difference is there. This first waveform is it is around one division or more than one division, and in one division there is 50 millivolt. And look, for the waveform, second waveform, it's showing the around 2 division, and 1 division is on around 0.2 millivolt. Now I am choosing the channel 1 and channel 2 same volt. That means channel 1 is also for detecting 1 volt in 1 division 50 millivolt, and channel 2 is also 50 millivolt in 1 division. You can see the difference here. This input signal is very lower voltage, having very lower voltage in comparison to the output signal. That means that we are going to the amplified. We are going to get amplified output signal in the CRO. Okay. If I need to increase the time division here, you can see here. You can see the perhaps like this. And if I increase the voltage, same voltage, so the output of this RC coupled amplifier is reverse in phase but amplified. You can start with the, for reading you may count the number of divisions for the input signal, you may count the number of divisions in the output signal, and by giving the variation of frequency, you may note it down the at least 3